Very well, then. The plan it is.
This is your elegant plan? You think I'm gonna give you the money to get you to stop making that noise?
Yes, Amiya. Did you want to try paragliding?
I can't take it anymore. Ah!
Get a hold of yourself! I told you I have a plan. Did you pack your stuff? Good. Things should be getting better right about... now. So long, sucker!
Are you crazy pushing me in the pool? I had 40 hits of ecstasy in my pocket. Buckle up, kids. They're gonna have to go to the hospital.
This boat is awesome, babe.
And we're the only passengers aboard. Oh my God, run!
What if he finds us?
We've taken 6 flights since we ditched the boat, okay? There's no way.
Mia?
Don't you start.
No, Mia.
It's Mia, Activities Director from Golden Mango Resort.
No!
All right. Take the money. Just, God, stop making that sound.
Ha ha ha! Yes! I told you I'd get the money. Wait, where did it all go?
We spent it trying to get away from you, you dumbass.
Oh. Looks like my work is done here. On to the next grand adventure. Change the backdrop, Don. India, the birthplace of diarrhea. Ah!